Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a super important topic, the control of hazardous energy, also known as lockout tagout. This is absolutely critical for workplace safety, so let's get into it. Machines and equipment need regular maintenance, but working on them can be dangerous. Imagine needing to reach into areas where moving parts or energy sources could pose a risk. If a machine accidentally starts while someone is performing maintenance, it could lead to serious injury or even death. That's where lockout tagout comes in. So, what is lockout tagout? Lockout is a safety process that ensures a machine is completely turned off and its energy sources are locked to prevent accidental activation. When lockout isn't possible, tagout is used. This involves placing a warning tag on the machine, instructing others not to use it. While tagout is helpful, it doesn't provide the same level of safety as lockout and should only be used when lockout isn't an option. Understanding hazardous energy sources is next. Machines often have multiple energy sources that can be hazardous, such as electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, mechanical, gravity, thermal, or even steam. To perform maintenance safely, it's vital to understand all the energy sources a machine uses. Each machine should have its own specific lockout procedure. These written instructions explain how to safely shut down equipment, isolate energy sources, release stored energy, and restore power once maintenance is complete. This helps ensure no residual energy remains that could become hazardous. Now, who can perform lockout tagout? Only authorized employees should perform lockout procedures. Even if you think you know how, the smallest mistake could lead to a serious accident. Unauthorized employees should never attempt to lock out a machine or work on one that has already been locked by someone else. If multiple employees are working on the same machine, each authorized person must attach their own lock to ensure safety. Remember, the person performing maintenance should always be the one securing the machine. Final thoughts here. When new equipment is introduced, lockout procedures should be developed right away. If you notice a machine without proper procedures, find errors in existing ones, or have concerns about hazardous energy control, talk to your supervisor immediately. Workplace safety starts with you. Follow lockout tagout procedures every time to protect yourself and your coworkers. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.